Hello friends, today I received an iPhone 13 Pro. There are two issues. One is the back glass is shattered. Although the frame isn't broken, the fan requested a full back housing replacement. The other issue is a watermark on the camera. We'll open the camera app and use a white piece of paper to inspect. It might not be clear in the video, so I'll point it out directly. 1, 2, 3, 4. When switched to 3x zoom, little black dots appear. That's what we usually call a watermark. We'll fix that later on. If you're interested, give a like and follow. About the shattered back glass, the fan opted to replace it with a second-hand original housing. Now many of you might be confused. What's the difference between a second-hand original housing and a Chinese-made one? Let me explain. First, let's look at the original second-hand housing. You'll see there's a small metal plate at this spot, and the entire lens frame is welded in place. It won't easily fall off, and can't be replaced individually. Now take a look at the Chinese housing. Well, to save on materials, it skips the small metal plate. Also, the aluminum alloy frame isn't welded to the backplate. That step is skipped entirely. That's why when people use Chinese housings and drop the phone again, the lens frame falls off easily because there's no welded joint. Now compare the feel and quality of the two housings. I'll let you judge. Let's keep chatting while we fix the phone, since the back glass shattered. The phone's waterproof seal is already compromised, so we'll proceed with disassembly. Luckily, the screen isn't broken. That means we can use Apple's official heating device to remove it. If the screen were shattered, the suction cup wouldn't be able to lift it. Some people watch videos quietly, but they secretly like, comment, share, and follow. Those people are the best. There's no major damage inside the phone, just some dust and glass shards from the impact. Small stuff, we'll clean it all up. Let's protect the Face ID parts and continue. Disassembling. Reminder, once an iPhone is repaired by a third party, it loses official Apple repair eligibility. All the internal components and flex cables need to be transferred. Before that, let's take one last look at the frame. All four corners are visibly dinged, though not broken. They look rough. For shattered back glass issues, there are several repair options. The most direct, replace just the back glass. You can choose an original or Chinese back glass. This is cheaper fix only. What's broken, but it compromises the original housing structure. The other option, replace the entire back housing. This offers a better result. There are different types to choose from. For perfectionists, the top choice is a full second-hand original housing with all internal parts intact. This has the best integrity, likely to fully restore waterproofing. Second option, second-hand housing but all internals removed. You'll need to transfer everything from the old phone. This is what the fan chose. Then there's the Chinese housing. You saw it earlier. To be honest, if your phone is only slightly broken and you're considering a Chinese housing, I suggest skipping it. Just get a good case and keep using it, even slightly cracked. It's better than a Chinese back. You know what I mean. If you do, leave a comment below. Wow, I just realized this phone had a previous back glass repair. The wireless charging sticker looks different, but the previous tech did an amazing job. Even after another drop, the replaced glass didn't fall off. If the glue was poorly applied, it would have fallen off right away. Definitely a repair job. There's even glue residue here. Now the housing is fully disassembled. All parts and cables are here. How many can you identify? Screenshot and leave a comment. Let's install everything now. Transfer all parts into the second-hand housing. We already cleaned the waterproof adhesive on the new housing. All the components and cables are also cleaned, no dust or broken glass remaining. This ensures safe use. Some people watch quietly but secretly like, comment, share, and follow. They're truly lovely. This is the main camera with the watermark issue. Now we'll handle it. Prepare the special cleaning fluid. Give it an ultrasonic bath. Regarding the black spots in photos, many think it's due to dust on the lens or from opening the phone, but actually, watermark faults come from inside the CMOS of the camera. You have to remove the main lens and clean the CMOS. Once all parts are installed, we apply a brand new factory waterproof adhesive for the iPhone 13 Pro. Close the rear panel. Use a press tool to ensure sealing. Speaking of this, here's a quiz. If someone hasn't changed their original frame and you replace the back glass with an original one, does that count as an original housing? Surprisingly, yes, but it's called a repaired original housing. So even second-hand housings come in two types, repaired and untouched. It's kind of like a word game, but make sure to ask clearly when buying. There's a big price difference once installation checks out. We remove the final adhesive stickers, close the screen. Some people quietly watch, but secretly like, comment, share, and follow. They're the best. Use the press tool again to ensure waterproofing. Finally, reinsert the two charging port screws. Assembly complete. Surprisingly, waterproofing is fully restored. If you've watched this far, how about a like for encouragement? The phone boots up successfully. Let's check the camera after CMOS cleaning. Switch to 3x zoom. The four black dots are gone. No watermarks anywhere. 0.5x, 1x, 3x all look normal. Camera issue resolved. Let's clean the phone, wipe off fingerprints and dust. To be honest, I was surprised the fan chose to replace the entire back housing. For a drop like this, there are cheaper options. But then I understood. It's almost Labor Day. Everyone else has the latest iPhone 16 Pro Max. He can't go see his girlfriend with a busted iPhone 13 Pro. Even if it's expensive, he gritted his teeth and got the housing replaced. This is the helplessness of adulthood. All I can do is fix it the best I can to make it look good and send it back. Phone's fixed. That's the end of the video. Give a follow. See you next time.